hopefully by this time you all are becoming old pros at translating from English sentences into mathematical statements. But let's practice again just to be sure that you've got the idea. In this problem, they're asking us to simply translate this using x instead of the word a number. So we have the sum of -7 and a number. If you'll remember, sum is one of your key words for addition. So we're supposed to be adding two things. Well, what are we adding? -7 and a number. So when we add -7 and the number we don't know, we represent it as x, our answer would be -7 plus x. In this next one, we have the quotient of -6 and a number. If you'll remember, your quotient is a division keyword. So what are we dividing? -6 and some unknown number. So when we write it as the division problem, it would be -6 divided by some number x. The next one is probably the most tricky, so we'll look at it pretty slowly, hopefully. We have the product of -6 and the sum of a number and 15. We need to take this pretty slowly. Look at the very first key word that you encounter. I see product. Remember, product is a word that represents multiplication. So what are we multiplying here? We're multiplying -6 and this sum. So we're multiplying -6 and some sum. Well, remember, sum is a key word for addition. But what are we supposed to be summing up here also? The number and 15. So we would write that as some number and 15. Now, we don't need to have the multiplication symbol here since we're using parentheses. We can write that a little bit more compactly as -6 times x plus 15.